Well, hey there, and how are you? I know that yesterday I had intended to post a tutorial on doing a bistro set. And after I got nearly finished with it, I realized that it was incredibly fiddly and that only the most dedicated people would probably go to the trouble of trying it. And for all the fiddliness of it, it wasn't actually, when it came time to really look at it, it didn't warrant the effort. Let me put it like that. And I thought, well, what else could I do? Because I really did want a bistro set. And I had to go to the store today to pick up a few things. And it's the Christmas season. And so I went through the Christmas aisle and I saw these butterfly ornaments. They're also $3.47 at Walmart. And I'm looking at these and I'm going, that's my bistro set. One package of butterfly ones. They don't have to be this color because I'm going to be painting mine black. But one package of butterflies, and the only butterflies I found were in this pink. But since you don't have to keep it this color, so whatever color. I do have a little bit of sandpaper, a glue stick, some scissors. So, let's get started. Now, the table is by far the easiest, so we're going to start with that. I'm just going to glue this snowflake to the top of the table. I'm going to try not to be an absolute idiot with how much glue I use, and some of you know that is not so easy. And my glue gun will not reach all the way over to the camera, so I apologize for that. Yeah, there we go. And again, since I will be painting this black as well, I think it'd just be neat to have this little feature on the top of the table. So, there. So there's your tabletop all done. Kind of cool, huh? Now, to make the table legs, I'm just going to take 2 of the butterflies. Now, I'm going to cut these butterflies. I am going to be cutting them right in half, these butterflies. Just right down the middle. Then I'll do the same thing with the other one. If it does that, don't worry. It's not that big of a deal, and if it's a broken one, you can put one aside. When making the bistro table, after we've cut the butterflies in half, we're going to trim them just a little bit more and in a straight line. So what I did is I basically just cut off this part of the butterfly, and it left me with this part. And after gluing the dowel to the bottom of the table, I did start with one of the wings, and now I'm going to glue the other wings on. And what I'm going to do is kind of glue them so they're offset from each other. I do not want them, because it's going to be the 3 parts to these legs. And the last one. And there we have it. Now we'll be painting this black. And so here is the bistro table. Now doesn't that look cute? I think it looks fabulous. Okay, well, I did paint the bistro table. I'm going to work on the chairs on another day, but I did want to get out the video at least for the table, and I think it came out really nice. I like it a lot. I like the whimsical aspect of it, and you know, I mean, it really does suit me, right? I mean, you know, I do like whimsy. So anyway, if you like this video, please hit like. Please hit subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you are a subscriber, I appreciate you very much. Definitely, please comment down below and let me know what you think. This is a ridiculously easy peasy project, and everything that you need can be purchased locally. So yay for that. Yeah, sharing is caring, so if you want to share this video, please be my guest and do so. And if you want to pick on someone and share the video, again, be my guest and do so. I'll never know. So I hope you're all having a fantastic day, and I thank you for stopping by my channel. And look, my fingers are covered in paint, but I need to go wash my hands, so I'm out and goodbye.